Hi. So this is pretty meta, isn't it? We're telling stories about telling stories. So I want to jump in. I enjoy this, and I would like to tell one of my own. This is one that you have all experienced, actually. So back in week 4 of class, one of our topics was looking at how to make learning environments accessible for all learners. One of the resources that week was a video that was created by the Accessibility Center here at CSU. If you watched that video, or if you recall that video, it had people across CSU telling their stories about how they struggled because they did not have accessible materials, or how they succeeded because things were made to be accessible for them in their CSU courses. So I experienced that video, which truly is storytelling, in a training that I took on making courses accessible. And it was incredibly impactful to me to hear these stories of people right here at my own institution and how they were impacted by not necessarily having the greatest situations, or by having really great situations. So that being a publicly available video, I knew it was impactful for my learning. And so that is the reason that I chose to use that in our class when we talked about accessibility as well. I just thought it was a really, really great way to use a story to be able to bring something home, to give something that humanity, that importance, that just somebody saying, make sure your materials are accessible, wouldn't do. So there's my story about how a story was successful.